This is Ngo 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Amazulu 0. My brother, how's it?
What's
your take on the game tonight?
No, the game today, I think today, man, Sundowns was poor today, man. They were showing the sign of fatigue. They are tired. After the Club World Cup, they didn't rest enough, these people. So it's where the other teams from the PSL must take advantage of the situation. They are tired, these people. Like, if you can check on the first half, their ball position was not on, man. They were using too much position. I don't know why. But according to the way I was seeing the game, I saw the fatigue in all Sundowns players. They are tired. They didn't rest enough. So my advice to the other teams of PSL, they must take advantage of this situation on these 15 games of the PSL. Understand? Because they are tired. They really are tired. Understand? Because even though you can check the shot on target, they were not there. Understand? They were not moving the way we know them. Today, no. Amazulu just didn't have luck. They played the game well, but they were not lucky. I don't know. Maybe they were afraid of the name Sundowns or what, to understand. But if they did put more effort in it, this game was supposed to end by 1-1, the way I was looking at this game, understand. So, like, what I can say is that PSL is not, like, fair to Sundowns, to be honest. It's not fair at all.
How so?
If you can check now, look at these 5 games of Sundowns, I think all of the games, they are away games. And they know, like, the traveling, the what, the team is getting tired, to understand. So, the PSL somehow, no, it's not fair on Sundowns.
So, don't you think, or like, it happened automatically because of MTN 8 anyway? They were bound to play away because of the draw.
No, the MTN 8 situation I understand is home and away, but on the league, on the 5 games of the league, all the games I think they are away. Understand? And they know Sundowns didn't rest enough. So it's like someone want to see Sundowns at the corner. Understand? It's what I see on this picture.
But remember, Pirates were playing away tonight.
Yes.
Chiefs were playing away on Sunday.
Yes.
Tonight, Sundowns were playing at home.
Yes.
So we can't say PSL is trying to be fun with Sundowns in terms of tossing them and all that.
No, I understand.
So the thing is, it is balanced.
No, it's not balanced. Check 5 games of Sundowns. Yes, this one is home game, but check the 4 games they are going to play away. Chiefs, the next game still is away, a home game. Even Pirates, I think, is away, a home game. Understand? But on Sundowns, no, this fixture is not balancing. Because now they are saying, okay, the fixtures was done by the computer, but why computers is hating Sundowns? Understand? Why I'm saying this? I'm saying this because Sundowns is tired. Sundowns got sign of fatigue. Understand? They didn't rest these people.
But they have a lot of players.
They have a lot of players, but those players, they are not the key players. They are players on the bench or maybe on the stand. We are talking about the key players. Abu Mukwena looked tired today. He was not playing. Even Marcelo Allende was tired. Understand? So we are talking about the key players here, the players that make team win, that makes team to function. They are tired, understand? So now you can't put Mukwena on the bench because he's tired and you put any player. No, it can't be, understand? Even Tembazwan, he was tired, understand? And I think Sundowns supporters, they must just accept, like, Tembazwan, no, it's not the Tembazwan that they know. He's tired. I think the age is catching up on that guy, to be honest. Because yes, when the Sundowns are taking his play, you understand? But when they're supposed to defend, it's just walking that guy. You understand? So I think he's failing to mark, but I don't blame him. I blame the age. The age is catching up on that guy. So now I think Sundowns, they must make a plan to replace Tembazwane with the youngsters, understand? Because now they say, okay, Adams is there for Tembazwane, but I don't see Adams is not creative. Tembazwane is creative, understand? So I think now Sundowns must plan, like, for future to say Tembazwane is old, is tired. Let's try these youngsters, understand? Because if they can go on like this, even the KF, I don't see them playing a final, understand? I don't see them playing the final. So the coach must go back to the drawing board. Yes, they won today 2-0, but they were not impressive. I can say they won by luck because they were not impressive. They were not the Sundowns that we know. Understand? That keep position of the ball, that attack as a team, defend as a team. But today they were poor today. Understand? I know some they will say I'm saying this because I hate Sundowns. No, I don't hate Sundowns. I was at the field watching them. Today they were poor, 100% poor today. Understand? So I think the coach must go back to the drawing board and talk to the players. Understand? Guys, we know you are tired, but just try to put more effort. Understand? Even the supporters, some of this they don't know football. Understand? They are saying the coach, no, it's not a fit to coach Sundowns, this and that. No, it's not about the coach. The coach is good for Sundowns, he's a good coach, but the challenge now, the whole team of Sundowns key players, they are tired. They are showing sign of fatigue. All of them, understand? Even the goalkeeper is tired, understand? So Sundowns must find a way to refresh their players, because they are not fresh, these players, understand? It's a new season, it's a 2 games now they played now. But if you can check the way they are, the system of Sundowns of Shushan and Piano, it's not on that standard. They are still
rusty.
Yeah, and even Sundowns supporters, they must forget about that guy, man, Costa Ribeiro. That guy's gone.
It's gone, yeah.
They must plan for the future and forget about that guy and let that guy play somewhere. Because now if you can check the way they are playing from the back. When the ball is at the center, they are thinking of Costa Ribeiro, but it's not there.
He's not there.
He's not there. So they must forget about that guy and move on, understand? Because now if they can hold on that guy, they are going to lose a lot of games. Even on Saturday, I see 50-50. Pirates, we know they are struggling now. Even Sundowns, they are struggling. So it's 50-50. You can't say Sundowns will win, Pirates will win. We are going to see there at Orlando Stadium. But
very interesting game,
yeah, both teams, they are 50-50. They are equal. Because all of them, they don't show that that play that we know, understand? And I want to say to people guys, let's pray for Orlando Pirates. What is going to happen, I don't know. But let's pray for Orlando Pirates. It's not the team that we know, understand? Because if you can check, there's a lot of quality players, but still the team is not functioning, it's not performing, understand? And the blame now is falling to the coach. That coach is good for Pirates, but they need time for those players to gel. I can't buy a car now and expect that guy to fly today. I must have time with the car, learn the car until you understand. So Orlando Pirates supporters, we know you are angry, you are emotional, but be patient. Don't dismiss the coach. It's still early. It's only 2 games. As Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we are patient with our team. We lost for more than 10 years. We were patient with Kaizer Chiefs. We didn't fight anyone. So even the patient from Kaizer Chiefs, I think Orlando Pirates must take that patience and they use on their team. That team is good. There's some good quality players, understand? But the problem that I see, the more quality players that you see, you sign in your team, somewhere it kills the team spirit. You can check PSG, there was a season they signed Mbappe, Messi, they didn't perform. So too much quality is going to kill Pirates. Why? The players are going to hate each other. Understand? They're going to say, why coach is playing that one? Why is playing that one? Understand? So Orlando Pirates still a good team. We want them to perform. Actually, want Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates this season to compete. Understand? Not one team compete and win the league like after 20 games. Understand? So all these teams must compete so that we can have that excitement of football. Understand? Not like we are saying, Sundowns going to win. No, don't want Sundowns to win. Because if Sundowns can win this Betway title this season, that means our league is useless. It's a former league. You understand? No, thank you, and for us Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we are playing at the Fenway Stadium tomorrow. Let's come all of us and support our team. Our team started well this season. Let's support them and stop winning the players, stop influencing the players. We love Kaizer Chiefs, all of us. Let's support the team. Thank you, Budingo.
Thank you, my brother.
Sharp.
For your soccer updates, visit www.2010sharpi.com.